The analysis type is a predefined template used to create similar X-ray analyses. When creating a new analysis type, we must enter its name and select a phantom image for defining cephalometric landmarks. That can either be a lateral image or a PA. Let's place a couple of points on the image defining landmarks for the analysis and connect them to the planes. For example, S, N, A, and B. Among them, we create the planes. Keyboard shortcuts can be used to repeat the commands, so there is no need to click on the toolbar. We are interested in an A and B angle, which can either have a positive or a negative value. The value is defined by calculating the difference between SNA and SNB angles. These two angles can be named appropriately and then using the equation editor combined in a formula for calculating the A and B angle. This is the SNA angle. And this is the SNB angle. The A and B's angle unit of measure is degrees and is calculated by subtracting the SNB angle from the SNA angle. Its value can be either positive or negative. The A and B angle is also presented in the structure tree. Let's look at another example of a formula use case to define a so-called width value. First, the occlusal plane is placed on the X-ray image. Then two perpendiculars are drawn through points A and B accordingly. The distance between these two perpendiculars is called the width value and can also be either positive or negative. By placing a point on the occlusal plane and then measuring the distances to both perpendiculars, two measurements are defined and named appropriately, so they can easily be used in a formula. The difference between these interim values, WA, WB, is the width value, which is also shown in the structure tree. And can be positive or negative. The combined image is somewhat complex, so we can hide some elements on it. We can hide all the measurements and also some of the planes that are not needed by the analysis. The analysis type is now ready for further additions where linkage between individual measurements and the appropriate normal values are defined, such as the standard deviation and mean value for the certain population or dentition.